In question number 4, we are asked which of the drawings A to D show. प्रश्न 4 में A से D तक जो चित्र खींचे गए हैं वो क्या प्रदर्शित करते हैं? 2 into 1/5. In figure number 2, we see that a circle is divided into 5 parts and one part is shaded, and there are two such figures, two such circles. So D in figure D, two into 1/5 shows D number. Here we see that two circles are divided into 5 parts and one part is shaded. So figure D represents 2 into 1/5. 2 into 1/5 means there are two circles and one circle is divided into 5 parts and one part is shaded. So 2 into 1/5 represents D. Similarly, 2 into 1/2. 2 into 1/2. 2 into 1/2. What represents 2 into 1/2? In question number B, we see that a rectangle is divided into 2 parts and one portion is shaded. Hence 2 into 1/2 represents 2 into 1/2 represents figure B. Figure B. Question number 4. And similarly, you can represent C and D of question number 4. In question number 5, we have to find the value 2/3 of 27. Question number 5, 2/3 of 27. 2/3 of 27. You have already learned of means ka is equal to 2/3 into 27 dividing 27 by 3, we get 9 as quotient. So multiplying 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Hence the value of 2 by 3 of 27 is equal to 18. And similarly 6 number question, 6 number, 7 number, 6 number questions, do same as answer 6. 6 number, find 5 by 8 of 5 by 8 of 3 whole 5 by 6. Here 5 by 8 is proper fraction because its numerator is less than its denominator, and 3 whole 5 by 6 is a mixed fraction. Multiplying 5 by 8 into 3 whole 5 by 6 is equal to 5 by 8 into 20, change into improper fraction 6. 5 by 8 into multiplying 23 by 5, we have 115 by 48. If we divide 115 by 48, two whole 19 by 48, divided 10 by 48. 48 goes 2 times in 115 is equal to 96. Write below and subtracting. Is equal to 219 by 48. So I tell you that only 8 and 9 number questions are left in this exercise, and I hope that you can solve it. And in next class I will start next exercise. So try to solve the question. Thank you.